Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am showing you something very beautiful party wear type of soft cotton which every woman prefers mostly. And here you go. This is rose pink color hijab. Okay, with attached floral lace, long floral lace. See, look at this. Such a big lace. This is this two lace attached with this. Okay, and the glitter is there. I hope the detailing is properly visible to you. At the end of the hijab, this lace is attached, and the whole hijab is of glitter. Okay, and the glitter is there, like it is of rose pink color with glitter and attached floral lace. And how to wear this, I have made a tutorial which you can see in the next slide, and the color of this type of hijab you will see in the next slide as well. So just see the tutorial and just see the colors also, and if you want it you can DM me. Okay, so this is it. Soft cotton, it is approximately near to 2 meter in length. Okay, near to 2 meter in length. So this is it. So see the tutorial and let me know in the comments like you like it or not. The way I have put down the things together and just made a small tutorial of this hijab. So just check it out and okay, thank you.